Kawasaki Z-H2. After introducing its supercharged Ninja H2 and H2R models in 2014, Kawasaki has more recently applied its forced induction engine architecture to a markedly more accessibly priced model to deliver the Z-H2. Continuing Team Green's Naked Z lineup, the liter-sized Naked packs a supercharger that enables the inline-4 to put down a whopping 200 horsepower, as well as more than 100 foot-pounds of torque, and to achieve speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour. Number 4. BMW R18. First debuting at the 2019 Concurso de Eleganza Via d'Este in concept form before entering production in 2020, the R18 is an unmistakably heritage-inspired model that's powered by the largest boxer twin BMW Motorrad has ever produced at just over 1.8 liters. Drawing visual inspiration from earlier iconic Beamers such as the R5 and R60, the R18 is draped in genuine metal bodywork and sports modern versions of a classic bobber saddle. Number 3. Triumph Daytona Motor 2 765. After roughly a decade of Honda's 600cc four-banger serving as the basis for every race bike in the Moto2 class, Triumph has taken over the job with its newly developed 765cc inline-3 platform. Replacing the outgoing Daytona 675 model, the new 765cc track weapon is essentially a road-going version of the new Moto2 bike, wearing updated bodywork and fitted with all of the modern bells and whistles one would expect on a high-end European sport bike. Before the new 765 entered mass production, the Hinckley firm is producing just 765 limited edition Moto2 bikes for the US and Canadian markets. Number 2. Ducati Street Fighter V4. A new generation of Ducati Street Fighter, powered by the Bologna-based Marque's all-new V4 engine platform, the Street Fighter V4 is essentially a stripped-down version of Ducati's Panigale V4 Superbike. As such, the Street Fighter V4 not only gets a 1,103cc V4 engine that generates well over 200 horsepower, but also an advanced suite of electronic rider assists, downforce generating winglets, a TFT display, top-of-the-line running gear, and one of the meanest-looking two-wheel designs in recent history. Number 1. Zero SRS. Despite undeniably being the market leader in the electric motorcycle space for over a decade, it wasn't until this year that California-based two-wheeled EV outfit Zero Motorcycles finally introduced its first fully faired model with the SRS. Starting with the firm's existing SRF naked sports bike model, the SRS gains a full front fairing that affords it 13% better highway efficiency. An upright rider's triangle and a 31-inch seat height make for a comfortable riding position, ideal for navigating urban traffic while still lending itself to spirited riding in the twisties. Backed by a half-decade warranty, the SRS's battery is good for up to a 200-mile range with the optional power tank and can receive a full charge in as little as an hour. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, keep enjoying our videos, and I'll see you in the next video.